my gosh.
I'm feeling so cool. Top to the bottom, just cool. Every little thing that I do, damn it, I'm feeling so cool. Yeah. Woke up feeling like a new James Dean. I comb my hair like an old school scene. Feeling high like a late night summer of last year. Yeah. Standing there with the red dress on ya. I kill a queen like a young Jane Fonda. Is it me or am I just having a good year?
In elementary school, I had to record a video of me learning how to bake a cake in Spanish, like as a tutorial, and I was like, "Vamos a hacer un pastel."
It's a piece of cake to bake a pretty cake. If the way is hazy, you gotta do the cooking by the book. You know you can't be lazy. Never use a messy recipe. The cake will end up crazy. If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have a cake. We gotta have it made. You know that I love cake. Finally, it's time to make a cake.
Making food is just like a good year. Lately I've been feeling so cool. Top to the bottom, just cool.
We're at the Del Mar Fair now. And yeah, I mean that's the tea for today.
Has to tilt it up.
I know, I was like,
Can I get some shots of you? Let me be your. Okay. Oh.
Maybe your thumbnail.
What do you have to say?
what do I have to say?
Wait.
Emilio's here.
Really?
Yeah, we're gonna meet him.
We are?
Yeah. We're gonna meet him for the first time. For the first time ever.
What?
We're gonna meet Emilio.
What do you mean for the first time?
No, it's like she said it like he's a famous person. Today.
Oh.
Every little thing that I do, damn it, I feel so cool.
Yeah.
No, this way.
No.
Maybe I should bottle my bones. Set a fire down on two. Damn it, I'm feeling so cool.
One free admission ticket.
Wow.
But I'm not coming back here.
Don't wanna be an American idiot. Don't want a nation under the new media. And can you hear the sound of hysteria?
I think we got a problem.
You know the Katy Perry, the California Girls.
Stop!